friends, this is Sharon with Southern Bella Home. Hope y'all are having a good day. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to tell you about what you might consider an epic fail in my garden. But in the spirit of making lemonade out of lemons, I've decided to try to reclaim my fail and make it a success. So y'all come along with me and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's the thing. I've never had a spring garden, as I've told y'all before. I've never planted any of those things that you plant in the spring. Well, I decided I wanted to plant onions and garlic. So I bought this bag of the little bulbs at Walmart, the onions and the garlic. And I set about to planting those according to the package directions. They had these little cardboard tabs on the bag, and it said to plant between 5 and 6 inches deep. Big wrong. Totally wrong directions. So I kept seeing my onion tops grow and get more beautiful and lush, but no bulbs were forming. So one day I was watching a video by Off Grid by Doug and Stacy, and excuse me, I said that all wrong. Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and they were doing a video on how to grow onions, and Stacy was saying your onions should be planted very shallow, and she was just basically sitting the onions down on the dirt and just covering them up a little bit. So I felt so silly, but it's okay. It's a rookie mistake. But I'm going to take charge of that mistake and turn it into something I can use. So I decided to go ahead and harvest all of my green onions and garlic. See how beautiful these things are, y'all? I just cannot be upset about that. They look great, so I'm just gonna make something good out of them. I had heard about green garlic, how people were using that, and then I thought, well, why couldn't I just dehydrate all of that and make my own garlic and onion powder? So after a miserable failure with a secondhand dehydrator that did not work, I finally just had to dehydrate everything in the oven. After I chopped it up real small, I dehydrated the onions and garlic in the oven, and now I'm going to show you what it looked like when it came out of the oven, and then I'm going to take you with me as I turn that into a green onion / garlic powder that I can use in the kitchen, because we use onions in almost everything. So y'all just have to watch and tell me what you think. So this is what it looks like. I chopped it up very fine into just little 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch pieces, and you can see what it looked like after it came out of the oven. And so what I am going to do now is I'm going to put it in my food processor, blender, juicer, whatever you have is available with a blade you can use, I would think. And I'm going to turn this into a powder. So let's get busy doing it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So if any of you are like me, you're a rookie, and your onions didn't grow the bulbs, they just grew these big, beautiful green tops, never fear, there is a workaround for us rookies. So all I did was harvest the onions, wash them off really well, chop them up into 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch pieces, dehydrated them in the oven on about 150 on a cookie sheet, took them out, let them cool off, put them in my food processor and blended them until they got to a powder consistency, just like you would buy your garlic powder or onion powder in the store. And I think I'm gonna have a very usable product, something that I didn't have before, and I'm gonna say it was a garden success. How about that? So if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. I'll be happy to address your comments. And if you have any tips for me, let me know that too. And the others of us, we'd all love to hear how you have used your garden failures to turn them into successes. So let me know. And friends, if you've never subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment to let me know you enjoy the content. Come see me at southernbellahome.com, which is my blog and website, and come back to see me soon. Until then, keep home sweet, keep it inspiring, and keep it irresistible. Talk to y'all later. Bye.